Hello everyone. I Sonam Sharma once again welcome you all on this Maths online class. During this lockdown period, let's devote some time to the studies because education is the only thing which will go along with you throughout your life. It will help you in each and every field of your life. So let us begin with today's session. Today we'll discuss about algebraic identities and because we have discussed in our previous session also, so we'll be continuing it. Today we will discuss expanding and factoring algebraic expressions, NCERT chapter 2 exercise 2.5 and numerical number 8, 9 and 10. So here is numerical number 8. You have to factorize each of the following given polynomials. A few polynomials we'll be solving here. Here is the first part, 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. See, first of all, we have to compare this given polynomial to some already existing algebraic identities. As I can compare it, I came to know I have a formula, or you can say I have an identity x plus y whole cube whose right hand side is something like x cube plus y cube plus 3xy and x plus y, right? So I can rewrite 8a cube as 2a whole cube. I can write b cube as b whole cube. I can write 12a square b as 6ab. Well, I'm going to take common 6ab out of these last two terms. So I can write it like 6ab bracket starts twice a plus b brackets closed, right? Now we can easily compare this equation with already given this identity. This is right hand side x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y, right, where x is equal to twice a and y is equal to b. Now you have to simply write the left hand side of the given identity, x plus y whole cube. So x is twice a, y is b. We will write it as twice a plus b whole cube. So because here it is having exponent 3, we will write this factor 3 times, twice a plus b multiplied by twice a plus b, right? This question is very simple. Similar kind of numericals we have done in previous session also. Now I'm going to solve third part of the same numerical, 27 minus 125a cube minus 135a plus 225a square. I'm going to rewrite this given polynomial as 3 whole cube, as 27 can be written as 3 whole cube, minus 125a cube can be written as 5a whole cube, minus 135a plus 225a square. I'm keeping it as it is in the second step. Now in next step, see what is common in third and fourth term. I got 45a as common outside of this bracket. So what is left inside? 3 minus 5a. Now again comparing this given polynomial with already existing identity x minus y whole cube, which is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy and multiplied by x minus y. Comparing it, I got x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5a. Now simply substitute the values in left hand side of this given identity, that is x minus y whole cube. I got my factors as 3 minus 5a whole cube, and again writing it 3 times, I got my answer. So these are the factors of given polynomial. My dear students, rest of numerical try yourself. I'm sure these are very easy. You'll feel very easy, and don't forget, practice makes a man progressive, right? This is numerical number 9. You have to verify x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y multiplied by x square minus xy plus y square, and similarly with negative sign in the second part. And these are identities itself, so you have to learn them also. Okay, we'll see how to prove them. So my dear students, as we know that we already have this identity x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy multiplied by x plus y, right? From here, we can calculate the value x cube plus y cube is equal to, simply shifting the terms to left hand side, I got x plus y whole cube minus 3xy multiplied by x plus y, right? Now, you see, what is common here in this step? X plus y, because it is existing in first term as well as in second term also. So taking x plus y common from these two terms, I got x plus y multiplied by x plus y whole square minus 3xy, right? Because one we have kept outside. Now how many x plus y we are left with inside? So only 2. Now comparing this with identity a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus twice ab. Now what you have to do? Simply you have to open this x plus y whole square with the help of this given identity, right? And we have opened it here, x square plus y square plus twice xy. Now solving it, I got x plus y multiplied by x square minus xy plus y square, and which is the right hand side of this given polynomial, right? So basically I will call it as equation, because it is left hand side we are having and right hand side we are having. So hence from left hand side we have proved right hand side. Okay, similarly we have its second part also. Just try it yourself, then pause the video, try it yourself, and then start or resume the video and then check your solution. Fine, solution I'm giving here, but before looking at this solution, try it yourself. Moving further to numerical number 10, first part, factorize each of the following, and its first part is 27 y cube plus 125 z cube, right? Again, recently we have done this activity, this identity, x cube plus y cube. Okay, so this is similar kind of numerical, and then also I told you this is identity which we will use, and you have to learn that also. Okay, so comparing this given polynomial with that previous identity, I got 27 can be written as 3y whole cube plus 125z cube can be written as 5z whole cube. Okay, so now comparing this with the identity a cube plus b cube, or you can say x cube plus y cube, it's one and same thing, right? A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b, and multiplied by a square plus b square minus ab. Now simply substituting these values in right hand side of this given identity, I got 3y plus 5z multiplied by 3y whole square plus 5z whole square minus 3y multiplied by 5z. Okay, and now just solve this step. I got 3y plus 5z multiplied by 9y square plus 25z square minus 15yz. It is very simple. Simply you have to substitute these values. Okay, the only thing you have to keep in your mind are the identities, just identities. Okay, this is the only thing which you have to keep in your mind. Now next, second part, 64m cube minus 343n cube. Again you have to factorize it. Again comparing with the same identity, I got 64m cube as 4m whole cube minus 343n cube as 7n whole cube. Again substituting it in the right hand side of this given identity and solving it, I got 4m minus 7n and multiplied by 16m square plus 49n square plus 28m into n, right? Very simple, very easy. My dear students, never cry because you have mountains of problems in your hands to solve. Always smile because each problem will someday resolve. So with a positive attitude, with a smiling face, solve each and every problem. Okay, whether it is in your books, whether it is in the form of numericals or in the form of any real life challenge. Just accept it with the positive mindset and with a smile, solve it. Okay, be positive. Thank you so much. I hope you have liked this session. And these are some miscellaneous problem which you have to solve. Fine. And if you have any query, raise your query in the comment box, and don't forget to give me your valuable feedback, because it gives me immense pleasure while reading it. Fine. So I mean, even it gives me motivation also. So if you liked my video, give it thumbs up. I will be waiting for your valuable feedback. Thank you so much.